Why PUBG was not banned? Analyzing India's ban on Chinese app and PUBG mobile ties with China. My name is Adil. You are watching Crazy Tech. Let's get straight to the video. PUBG Mobile and India ban move, the confusion. Fortunately for millions of Indian youth addicted to it, PUBG Mobile has narrowly escaped the ban. This sudden action took down multiple Goliaths including TikTok and UC, citing major security faults and data issues. The Ministry of Electronic and Information Technology informed that 59 apps were banned in India to protect data and privacy of people of India. This announcement created a huge confusion. How did PUBG Mobile manage to remain safe from the wrath of the Indian public, where transpired the Hatch Boycott China movement once again? Reason 1, mixed ownership. The complicated Chinese mixed ownership of the widely popular game PUBG Mobile remains ambiguous and confusing. For what we know, in 2017, Tencent Holding acquired a 1.5 equity stake worth 440 crore in South Korean Blue Hole, which owns PUBG Corporation. It planned to invest further 3,147 crore to acquire another 10% of Blue Hole, taking its share to 11.5%. Reason 2, trouble relationship with China. In 2018, internal division of Tencent, the world's largest video game publisher, development multiple variants of PUBG Mobile. Earlier, PUBG Corporation had entered into a cooperation with Tencent to publish the Windows version in China, meaning Tencent would also publish PUBG Mobile in both China and India. Through Tencent had to develop the PUBG clone called Game for Peace and claim it promotes traditional value to gain the approval of the Chinese government, which through the games was very violent and inappropriate for youth. Reason 3, privacy protection and security. Over the year, PUBG Mobile has declared an internal war on hacker by forming a strong anti-cheat unit with software like BattlEye. This system eliminates millions of players involved in illegitimate activities. PUBG Mobile claims that it values security, privacy protection and transparency. Conclusion, the final verdict. It is likely that the gold deemed PUBG not dangerous or close to the Chinese enough in terms of security to be banned, not to mention the outrage that so many Indians would have felt if they couldn't play PUBG all day anymore. Therefore, PUBG Mobile is alive and well, at least for the time being. Now, that not to say the game is safe forever. Nobody can tell how thought the government will be in the coming days. The best we can do is hope to live another day.